Imagine finishing hours of work in just a few minutes. AI can organize your schedule, build professional presentations, summarize long documents, and automate repetitive tasks, saving you valuable time every single day. Today, you'll discover 5 powerful AI tools to completely transform your work in 2026. Tool number 2 is Notion AI. It helps you write documents, organize projects, summarize meeting notes, and manage your daily tasks in one place. Instead of switching between multiple apps, Notion AI keeps everything organized so you can stay focused and productive. Tool number 3 is Grammarly AI. It does much more than correct spelling. It helps improve your writing, rewrite sentences, adjust your tone, and create clear professional emails, reports, and documents. It's like having a personal writing assistant available whenever you need it. Tool number 4 is Canva AI. It helps you create professional presentations, social media posts, thumbnails, videos, and graphics in just a few minutes. Even if you have no design experience, Canva AI makes creating stunning content incredibly simple. Finally, tool number 5 is Zapier. It connects your favorite apps and automates repetitive work behind the scenes. Instead of doing the same tasks over and over, you can build smart workflows that save time and let you focus on what really matters. Try these tools and discover how much easier your work can become. Which AI tool will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more practical AI tips every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.